Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You must remain cool, calm and composed when you encounter with crisis. And crises are quite normal and unexpected things that can come at any time. So you should not react, but you must act to the crisis in a positive perspective. You must remain cool, calm, and you should have a clear mind, and you should have an organized mind, because an organized mind is really a superpower. And when faced with crisis, take a pause, reflect a lot, and find out the right way of resolving the problem. That's how you have to do it. When you do so, the success rate will be higher, and you can minimize conflicts, and you can overcome the crisis. And don't make any rash decisions when the tempers are high, and make rational decisions, and stay cool headed and stay level headed to lead your life mindfully. Do one thing at a time. Multitasking is a buzzword globally. I am personally against multitasking. When you multitask, you end up nowhere. The best thing you can do is take up one task and do it. You may have plenty of things to do every day. Take up three tasks which are on a priority basis. Among the three tasks, again take the one which is the most urgent and most important, and which you can handle well, in which you are passionate about, and do it. After completion of the task, then you move on to the next task. That's how you have to do it. So when you do so, you get satisfaction because you get the desired outcome, and secondly, you get motivated to handle the next task. That's how you have to do it. And you must know how to control your mind. Research says that we get around 50,000 thoughts in a day, and another research says that we get around 70,000 thoughts in a day. But all the research clearly shows that most we get negative thoughts. And don't get panic when you get negative thoughts, because the research is like that, which is very clear. That's the reason we get attracted to negativity rather than the positivity. So you must understand this research finding one. Secondly, there are two ways to overcome negativity. First thing is, you can replace negativity with positivity. That's one option. Second option is, you can remove negativity forever. Again, depends upon the issue, situation, people, and various other factors. If you find that the people are problematic, very unpleasant, and they will be a liability forever for you, the best thing on your part is to destroy those people from your mind forever, so that you can lead your life mindfully and meaningfully. I would like to share my personal example, personal life story. I am a dyslexic with ADHD. ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. I used to get panic for minor things. I used to get panic for petty things, and I had a chaos disorder. And added to that, I am a slow learner since my childhood. As I grew, I started controlling this ADHD, and I came to normalcy. At the age of 18, I joined the Indian Air Force to support my parents financially and to serve my nation by dropping out of the college. When I joined the Indian Air Force, I resisted change, but I got used to change gradually. Now I enjoy change, I embrace change. I realize that the only thing constant in this world is change. I thrive on uncertainty. I don't mind for any disruption because I got used to it. So life is the best teacher. So because of the bitter experiences I had with relatives, various other people, that made me more mature, more calm, and more rational, and more clear in making decisions. I emphasize excellence over perfection, and I prefer quality over quantity. Thanks to my better experiences in my life. The takeaway from this video is, Having negative thoughts in head is quite normal and natural. There is nothing to panic about. You must understand this fact, and you must know how to convert the negative thought process into a positive thought process to lead your life mindfully and meaningfully. I would appreciate if you could like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on notifications.